If you've never seen one before, this is the Estes Super Big Bertha. It has been a re-release that has been updated, which means that this kit was available in the past, but it was discontinued and has been brought back, but has been enhanced. So what does that mean? So first of all, it's a big BT80 size tube, which means it's 2.6 inches in diameter. The original Big Bertha was 1.6 inches in diameter. So you can see the difference in size. It also has a plastic nose cone like this the regular Big Bertha, and a plastic parachute. Now this parachute is 24 inches in diameter. And what makes it really nice is it's already pre-assembled, so you don't have to put the strings on. It has an elastic shock cord like a typical Estes kit. Let's see what else is going on with this kit. It has, let me put this nose cone back on. The hard part is getting the nose in. There we go. It has 1/4 inch launch lugs. It has big 1/4 inch thick fins, which are actually made from a laminate of 3 pieces of balsa wood. So there's a core piece and then 2 outer skins. It is through the wall fin tabs, but you do have to cut the slots into the body tube yourself. So where it has been enhanced, it has now a 29mm engine mount tube, so you can fly E's and F motors. And it also has a screw-on engine retainer like this, so you can get your motors in and out quickly. So this is the Estes Super Big Bertha. You can find it here at Apogee Components. Our web address is www.apogeerockets.com.